it goes off and does all of that work. And it's doing that all in the background. It did run into a couple of issues where, because I did the development on my Mac, not all of the Docker file setups included all the ARM64 components or versions for a Raspberry Pi. So it had to reconcile those and fix those. But it will just keep running, and roughly 20 minutes later, it was complete and I could run the application. So again, there's not anything like, I've become super lazy with the NoBGP MCP server and being able to deploy code on my nodes by just giving Claude, in my case, simple commands like deploying this project to a node. And then any issues, it either fixes on its own or it asks me the question, you've got these two choices, which one would you rather use? And then I answer and it moves forward. So I'm not going to sit here and have the screen and command line go through 20 minutes, but you get the idea that this is how the deployment works using the NoBGP MCP server. So this did take me about 3 days off and on to AI code this. With all my projects, I start with documents and requirements. So I start with PRD, architecture, diagrams, API specifications. I am technically enough to read some of the specifications that AI creates and go, well, that's not going to work, or I think we should do it a different way. So that's always where I start. Just like everything in general life, the more instructions and better instructions you give someone, the more likely you're going to be happy with the results.